What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys doing good, man. Forgot to bring my sticky note. It's a little bit annoying, but it's alright. You go the speed limit every single video, so we're chilling either way. It's just kind of like nice not to see it, you know. But anyways, oh my, holy. I wish it popped at higher gears, bro, or higher RPMs. I mean higher miles per hour. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna stop procrastinating, boys. I'm gonna go look for a person to tune, but I want to make different maps, dude. I want to be able to change it up however I feel in the day. You know, if I want it to pop like crazy, I want to be able to make this thing sound. Dude, I also want to change the fuel I use. I want to use like E85, bro. It sounds so different with E85. Low-key sounds like, I don't know, like low-key deeper. Low-key. This is a stock tune, dude. I've been running the stock tune for the forever. I think now that I finally feel more established in my life, you know, with the business, everything's on me, right? Getting work in the beginning was kind of like the problem. Now, having too much work. Now the problem is I have too much work. Like low key, I'm like overwhelmed, but like, I don't know how to explain it. Like you get used to it. So that's why I know, like once you start getting like nicer cars, you get used to it too. It's just life, you know. That's why you gotta appreciate it, no matter how hard, how you feel. You gotta just appreciate for what you have, man. So I guess you could say like I'm learning. Like obviously it sounds really simple, but like for example, most people that work right now a job, like you guys probably prayed for it, but you're already like used to it. You know, you want more, and that's fine. I mean, I think it's good that you want more. You gotta always strive for something more. That's why this whole time when I was working a full-time job, I had stocks. I legit had a business just for stocks, where I literally would buy and invest stocks. Like, dude, the way I had it built was amazing. Like, I'm so grateful that I took risk, and you know, nobody does it. It's super, dude. I know most business people I deal with, they don't even own a single freaking stock. I'm not saying anyone should. Like, you should not buy. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I'm saying is like, people, if these guys are supposed to be risk takers, you know, like you're scared to buy stocks. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. I cannot believe I got used to the sun going down this early. I remember when the sun used to go down like 8, it was like amazing, bro. I'd be coming home, chilling, going to skate park super late. That's so fun, dude. It barely like created any smoke, and I barely had to push on it, dude. I wish I could have someone to like practice. It felt so good. Like, I wish there was a pit some. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking green. I wish there was a pit somewhere, man. Kind of makes me sad. It grips and see the problem. The reason I'm so scared to do it like just straight away is like I've seen videos where they send it and then once they go like over 20, it just goes. And like I'm always cautious because it's like, dude, like it happens so quick, you can't even save yourself. I remember there was one time it happened to me, and I was like on a canyon. There was obviously water, so it made it way worse. But literally, like I almost hit somebody else because there was one lane. It was literally like a canyon, and yeah, dude, it's freaky. I don't want to experience that again, honestly. Yeah, boys, I'm gonna try to tune it for you soon. I'm gonna hit up a bunch of places that doesn't want to destroy my view. Like actually knows how to do it properly. That'll like destroy. Or maybe I can. I don't even know, dude. I should probably try to learn it myself, because I know you can like literally send. Like you can like do like on the straightaway, for example. If you're like in front, you can like basically like dyno it on the road, send the info to a company, and they can tweak it. So it's like I should just learn it myself. Obviously, it's not a good idea, but. This car sounds when it does that, dude. Wait, I was in second gear? Fudge, I thought I was in first. Yeah, I thought I was in first gear. Dude, that was so fun. That was so fun, dude. I love this car, dude. The Hellcat in this car is so fun, and it slides so differently too. This one's definitely low-key more fun because you can control it better. Right through this street real quick, because like one thing that was my favorite part about this car that's different from the Hellcat mainly is this, honestly, the turbos. I'm gonna be real, and I know I say that every time, but I'm just being honest, bro. That's my this is my favorite part about this car. I need to go where there's buildings next to me because that's where you hear it the most, dude. Dude, 7 years ago was like the absolute best time to buy a house here. Like, it's actually unbelievable. Like, it's crazy how everything here looks so crazy, but it's like, this is, because it's kind of like not far away from LA, but away from LA, it was cheaper, because I guess people didn't want to drive. Now, it's just crazy, man. Like, buying a house is just, I don't know, man. Turbos, I'm like, I freaking love that sound, dude. I freaking love that sound. Sheesh. Yes, this is like a little sunset type of video, man, because the sun goes down too quick, bro. I forget about it sometimes, bro. I look, kind of want to see if they got any of the new M5s posted up. I hope they do, bro. I look, kind of want to see them. I don't know. I just heard one on the freeway once that was tuned and straight. Bro, sounds so good. Sounds so good. Little M8 still did. Oh, they didn't even. Is that a new one? I guess they didn't even change that. Yeah, I don't see the new M5, bro. I don't think they're selling good, honestly. They're probably like all up inside, but I don't see anything. Yeah, dude. There's not like really. Like, I feel like I would have seen one. Either they got bought out already, but personally, I would not pay the premium of that, dude. That there's not even an M5 normal one. Dude, I guess they got bought out, all of them, dude. I don't know. The new M5 to me personally, the pricing is the issue. The way it looks, yeah, that's also debate, but the main issue for me personally, dude, is the price and the way it looks. Like, if it was like competitive, then maybe, I don't know. Still, dude, I don't know. I mean, they don't look terrible. You gotta definitely add some carbon fiber to it. right here. Porsches are sick, dude, but I don't know. I feel like the pricing of Porsche. I mean, they're cool, dude, but I just can't do anything that's a 6-cylinder. I need something. Oh, dude, what is that? That thing looks crazy. It's like matte black. I need something that has either an 8-cylinder, but preferably now, dude. Because if I have the M5 Hellcat, what's next? Strictly, bro, it'll be yours just for going out, and then an SVJ to have the V12, and then I'm set. A12 for a Ferrari V12, and that's it. Lamborghini or Ferrari. I mean, what else would you need after that? If Porsche made a V12 version, oh my gosh, I would totally be pursuing that. I feel like a Demon 170 would be so sick. I haven't seen a single one in LA. I've seen only one in Burbank, but like it wasn't driving. It was parked. The last time I saw it, I really want to see. Oh, dude, I just want to hear them. I wonder if they like whine like way louder than my car. Yo. Holy dude. Dang, this parking lot's perfect. All right, boys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.